Jay making movies.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on now. If you ain't early, man, then you late, man. And you know your boy Jay is always early with it, man. So, let's dive a little bit deeper into the month of January. YouTube family. What's good? What's going on with y'all, man? We back, we live, we in full effect. How y'all feeling on this wonderful Friday, man? Your boy Jay took sort of a day off yesterday, man. I ain't hit y'all with no video. However, I didn't leave y'all without any content, man. We went live on Whatnot, man. If y'all have not joined the Whatnot yet, man, we bruh. We be having a ball over there, man. Like, the highlight of yesterday's show had to be, bruh, look, a Kobe 8/24 Mamba jersey. Let me show y'all. Bang! A 8/24 Kobe Mamba jersey. This is, of course, the recent one that just released with the gift of Mamba, y'all. This jersey, bruh, this jersey sold. Not sold. I mean, it had a bid, bruh. Somebody bidded like $1,920 for this jersey, man. And I got a kick out of it, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that was watching got a kick out of it. Of course, the payment didn't go through, and if it did go through, I probably would have, not even probably, I would have canceled that order, y'all, because I wouldn't have felt right, bro. I wouldn't have been able to sleep, you know what I'm saying, last night with that on my shoulders, y'all. But I thought that was funny, you know what I'm saying? I got amusement out of that. But outside of that, man, we did, bang, give away a free pair. Free, absolutely free, no strings attached. Free pair of the Jordan 5 Olives, y'all. We gave away a free pair of these, as well as these were selling for like $220. Like, early shoes, below retail, right around retail before release, man. So we had a ball last night. Shout out to the winner of the Olive 5s, man. But yeah, man, hey, y'all better put up to the Whatnot. But outside of that, man, look, hopefully y'all are having a good one. Y'all are enjoying y'all day. To start off the new year, y'all, your boy has some new things in stock, man, because, you know, I went crazy. I got part of the sale, y'all. I caught part of the end of the sale with a specific brand that y'all know I rock with heavy, man. So let me do a quick unboxing for y'all, and let's check out what your boy got, man. Let's get to it. Woo! Appreciate that, bruh. Bang, man. So I got a big box, y'all. Big package right here to start off the New Year's, man. Look, nothing but big unboxings for this year, man. We doing it big. We doing it big. We doing it big. So yes, sir. Had to get this. This is a new item, bruh. New item just came in. I had to order it, y'all, because I'm a big fan of it, y'all. If y'all know, y'all know. But in this box right here, your boy Jay done picked up. Yes, sir. You see it, you see it, you see it, and this thing looks so lovely. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bang, man. Shout out to Soul Premise, y'all. I'm addicted, bro. I think I'm officially addicted, bro. I keep on buying these bags, but this one right here is a very, very unique piece, man. Look how premium this packaging is, man. Look. Promo code JayTheSneakerGuy is linked down below in the description, man. Y'all better stop sleeping, man. I be taking advantage, man. But boy, I did right by this, man. I seen them saying that this was releasing at the end of the year, and as soon as it dropped, I think it released like December 28th or so. As soon as it dropped, bruh, I went over to Soul Premise and I had to cop the duffel. The wheat duffel, bruh. This thing right here so premium, y'all. Bang, y'all. So yes, man, this joint right here is fire, man. This right here can hold like 4 pairs of shoes. It can hold my clothes in here. It can hold my accessories. It has, bro, the duffels go crazy, man. They're one of my favorite items from Soul Premise, but this right here is next level, y'all. So these have just arrived. Like, they're new. They hot on the block, man. Of course, bag secured right there on the side tag, and you got that, man. Look at that material, bro. You can carve your name into this material, man. This joint is so fire, man. So I'm definitely taking this with me on my upcoming trip, man. I'm sorry, I know I need to be talking about some early shoes, but this right here just got my attention right now, man. This is so fire, man. But look, man, y'all need to get y'all one of these Soul Premise bags, man. Not only this one, they have several others to choose from, man. So I'm telling y'all, I be trying to put y'all on game, bro. I be buying out of my own money. I buy them because, like I said, bro, I rock with them. So I got a collection of these bags over there, man. But definitely check these out, man. I'm gonna have to come back to that after this video because I want to spend some time on that. But use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. Get you some things from Soul Premise today, y'all. You can get almost half off using that promo code. So, bruh, y'all better get with the program, man. But outside of that, man, we do got some sneakers, some early sneakers to talk about. And yeah, let's get to it. Appreciate you. Bang! So yes, like I told y'all, we early. Let me say that one more time, bruh. We early for those in the back, and we 100% A1 as always. So I do have a sneaker right here that is set to be releasing late January, January 20th to be exact, y'all. This shoe right here is the Air Jordan 2 Retro, man. Are y'all tired of seeing 2s? I got something to talk about these 2s, but I'll wait until we get into it. But white, fire, red, black, sail. What can these be, man? So January 20th, y'all, we will be getting another Jordan 2, and it looks kind of like the OG. So we will get the Jordan 2 book with this one, y'all. Similar to the OG white and red pair, it will come with the book, and you got a lot number inside the box right there. We don't want to overlook anything. Lot number right there. And the shoes that we do got releasing on January 20th, y'all, $175 is the retail. We do have the Jordan 2 Pythons. Bang! So there we have them, y'all. The Jordan 2 Pythons, which is set to be releasing later this month. Of course, we are a little early. I gotta get them early to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? And what's going on, bro? This is the second shoe of the year, and it's the second shoe that is coming with this tag, y'all. So are all these shoes starting to come with this tag? I'm curious. There's something new from Jordan Brand and Nike. And real quick, let me point it out. Here is the tag, y'all. Real quick before we get into the shoe. It's got some, can we see that? It got some writing on it right there. Backside has some Japanese writing as well as a Nike swoosh. But this side has English and Japanese. Let me put it the right way, maybe I can read that. But right there on that side, and this is a 100% retail pair. So this did not come from GOAT. It didn't come from overseas. This came from a store located right here in the United States, y'all. So every pair that you buy from a retail store will have that on the tag, man. So and I know the Jordan 1s, take a look, y'all. The Jordan 1 Yellow Ochras has its own little tag on there, y'all. So that's 2 shoes that come with these types of hang tags on them, and I wonder if that's gonna be a thing moving forward. But outside of that, man, let me show y'all the shoes. The Jordan 2 Pythons. Bang! So here they go, y'all. Releasing January 20th. We do got the Jordan 2 Pythons, which does consist of a all over white upper with a little bit of black trimming and the silver snake skin hits on it, man. Of course, we got sail on the midsole, as we've been getting on a lot of Jordan 2s, really Jordans in general lately. But on the back, man, you got the red Nike Air, so that's the fire red that they was talking about. But these is not bad, man. These aren't bad, man. They are definitely reminding me of a recent shoe, a recent Jordan 2, y'all. If y'all remember, a couple months ago, we got the cement Jordan 2s, white cement. I'm not too sure the name, y'all, but right there, we got those a couple months back, y'all. You can actually get those for dirt cheap right now, and it kind of looks like they used recycled material from that shoe, or basically the base of that shoe, and just threw some silver python synthetic type skin on it, y'all. But these aren't bad, bro. I'm not mad at these, man. These ain't bad at all. Of course, lace swaps would make them pop with some black laces, some red laces, some gray laces. You can definitely make these pop, man. This is not a bad Jordan 2, y'all, but Jordan brand, y'all need to pump the brakes on the twos, man. I feel like this is just a thrown out colorway. The Jordan 2 black cements, y'all. That was an excellent pair of twos. I felt like y'all did y'all thing with that. Of course, making a 9 OG colorway, bringing it into just like of course, a classic colorway when it comes to like Jordan 4s, Jordan, what else is a cement? Jordan 3s, you know what I'm saying? So they put that black cement on a 2 and it worked. But these kind of just random colors like this, yeah, it's cool, you know what I'm saying? But white cement 2s, y'all, it's like the same exact thing, and it's like you're watering down the Jordan 2, man. Y'all comment down if y'all understand what I'm saying, man. But it does come with the wings hang tag, of course. So it's pretty much the same stuff you got on the OG Chicago style Jordan 2s. Outside of this, man, this is kind of different, y'all. But like I said, every retail pair will have both these things on it, as this comes straight from a retail store, as all your boys Kicks does. Plug. Don't hate. But yeah, man, these ain't bad, bro. These ain't bad at all. Like I said, I know that black lace swap is gonna make them pop, gonna give it a little bit of color. I think it's a little bit too much white when you put the white laces in there, but the white laces is definitely gonna be a clean look, you know what I'm saying? If you want just a clean, nice little look, white laces, but not mad at it, man. I like the black hits, I like the black trimming around the tongue, I like the black wings logo on the tongue, man. So it's not a bad shoe, man. Look at the snake skin, as you can see, hence why you got the Python name. And this is not the first time we've seen snake skin on a Jordan 2. We've had, I want to say, yellow snake skin 2s, multiple colors of snake skin 2s, man, if I'm remembering right, you know what I'm saying? But not the first time we've seen this type of look on a Jordan 2, and I'm sure it won't be the last, man. But dope, man. It's not bad. It's not bad. Will I be copping? Will I be keeping these? Nope. I'm good. It's too much dropping. I gotta get my mind, my pockets ready for the month of February, y'all. I'm looking forward to that. So shoes like this will get overlooked by me as well as many others, y'all. But if you like them, if you want them, I'm not mad at you. $175 will be the price tag for the Jordan 2 Pythons. And yeah, like I said, y'all, this is what you're gonna get. It does have sale hits on the aglets right there around those laces, so that's a nice little touch. It's not a pure white, but overall, I'm good, man. I'm good, but definitely not a bad shoe. Y'all comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Jordan 2 Pythons. I was about to say snake skins, but Python joints. I don't think I'm gonna be throwing these on feet. I might just sell them on my JTSG closet page, or who knows, it might make it to whatnot. But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out Jordan 2 Pythons. Got them in the building. Hit y'all with that first look. Y'all smash that thumbs up for your boy Jay. We're gonna keep them coming. I plan on having a pair of Jordan 4 Reimagined Breads in hand soon, man. So I'm gonna give y'all that early look on those, and I got an unboxing for y'all tomorrow. It's gonna be something that just got me by surprise, y'all. Shot up in resale value, and it's a recent release at the end of 2023, man. So y'all come back tomorrow. Make sure y'all got the notification bell rung. Make sure that y'all are subscribed if you are or if you think you were previously subscribed, y'all. Double check, make sure you still subscribe, because like I said, YouTube be tweaking. They be unsubscribing people. So just make sure you still a part of the fam. And outside of that, man, Jordan 2 Pythons, not bad, man. I mean, I might throw them on feet for y'all, man. I might do it, bro, because they not bad, man. I might throw them on feet for the people in the back who, you know what I'm saying, want to cop. But yeah, that is it. I'm out. Y'all stay blessed. Till tomorrow, I'm gone, man.